Hello Pharmacy Tech students, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be reviewing some pharmacy calculations. Let's get into it. A child scheduled for kidney transplant receives an order for Similac 20 milligrams IV 2 hours prior surgery. The medication is available in a 20 milligram vial that is reconstituted by adding 5 ml sterile water for injection and administered in a 50 ml bag of normal saline over 30 minutes. The nurse should program the infusion pump to deliver how many mLs an hour? So this question wants you to figure out the rate. So we're looking for the rate in mLs per hour. So key point, 20 milligram vial is equal to 5 ml. The 5 ml is added to 50 milliliters bag of normal saline. And the 50 plus 5 makes 55. Okay, so it's 55 ml that's given over 30 minutes. Okay, so we have 55 ml is equal to 30 minutes. The question is asking us how many mLs in 1 hour. So mLs per hour is our rate. Okay, when you're solving this equation, you have to make sure that your units on this side is the same. This one is 30 minutes. This one is 1 hour. You need to convert this hour to minutes or minutes to hour. I'm going to convert my hour to minutes. So I'm going to have 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. So I'm going to rewrite the equation. 55 mLs in 30 minutes. How many in 60 minutes? Okay. And that will give me the same answer in mLs per hour. So once you solve for the question mark mLs, cross multiply, you have 55 times 60, 55 times 60, and divide that by 30. Okay? The answer will be 110 mLs in 1 hour. Okay? Next problem. The doctor prescribes a continuous infusion, IV infusion of dextrose 5.5, 0.5% sodium chloride with KCl of 20 MEQs per 1,000 ml to be delivered over 8 hours. What's the rate in mLs per hour? Okay, so we have a continuous infusion of D5 half-NS with 20 KCl. This is our total volume and is to be delivered over 8 hours. So set up your equation as such. 1,000 ml equals 8 hours. Want to know how many mLs in 1 hour. Cross multiply. Okay. So we have 2,000 ml times 1 hour. Okay. Isolate your question mark to get. So we're going to divide this, carry this to the other side and divide. Okay. You can use your calculator. I have 1,000 divided by 8. We have 125 mLs per hour. All right. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help you out. Please subscribe, send me a message, and I'll do my best. If you have a question, a problem you'd like me to solve, thank you.